Hey everyone, okay, so I got my HSN order in, and I believe this is the auto ship. So I'm pretty sure it's the auto ship because I haven't ordered anything from them in so long, ever since I got back into quilting. Okay, so this is an Griffin neoclassic frame die auto ship, and that is the item number right there. Okay, and boop. And this is let's see, this was $31.09, so this was $31, and I don't even know what it looks like. I had no sneak peek or anything, I just got it. Let's see, so this is what the samples are. Very pretty, very, very pretty. I love that one. I love the green. So that's what the die looks like. Very different. Yeah, cool. Okay, that was good. Put that in my collection, and I got one more, and I'm not sure what it is. This one is the this one was $39.75. This was also an auto ship. That's the item number. It is a layered Christmas flower die. So let's see if we have luck with this one. Oh no. Oh, nope. Maybe one of these days. I think we had it happen once, right? Where we were able to open it in one fell swoop. But not lately. Okay, so let's see. It is sticky buns. Too bad it's not sticky buns. Just, that would be yummy right now. Layered Christmas flower dies. Oh, pretty samples. Oh, so those are the flowers. They're like poinsettias. Oh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. I didn't, like I said, I don't know what, I haven't been ordering craft stuff because I have enough, and I'm into the quilting and the cross stitching. So I haven't been buying anything. So this is all auto ship stuff. And I didn't see any sneaks. So perfect. This looks like a wreath. Christmas tree, holly, and the poinsettia. Very nice. Okay, awesome. All right, guys, we'll see you all next. I don't know when the next auto ship is. I don't know. All right, guys, bye.